The following video is rated PG, which may contain some material that is unsuitable for younger viewers.
What are you doing?
Resting. I haven't slept one bit.
Your TV was left on last night. I heard it.
Was it? Oh, damn. I should have turned the timer on. Oh well, I'm off to get some groceries.
But you forgot it's Easter.
Son of a bitch.
So Red, what are you planning for Easter?
Nothing.
Nothing? Really?
What do you think I should do? Huh? Go to work on Easter Monday? Do you know what people are doing in Hungary during Easter?
I'm a born-told Indian, Red. Why should I know about this?
Exactly.
Whatever, bro. Just tell me what the plan is.
I am not planning anything. But, we do have a special guest coming in. The Easter Bunny.
Whoa, no way! An Easter bunny?
Yup. An actual Easter Bunny. See for yourself.
Hey, did I hear right? The Easter bunny is coming?
That's right. Wait, how did you know that?
Oh, I don't know. Red told me.
Oh. Fair enough. Oh, this could be the Easter Bunny.
Happy Easter!
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that?
What is your problem?
That's the Easter Bunny? Are you shitting me right now? Is this an out-of-season April Fool's joke?
What? You think I was going to prank you?
No, who even are you anyway? Bugs Bunny's rejected daughter? Who the fuck invited you here?
Chuck, cool it. It's just a bunny.
I don't care. She's unfit to be the Easter Bunny, and I'm going to prove it.
Guys, we have a serious problem. Eleanor Rabbit is here. She's the Easter Bunny.
What? You're joking.
I thought it was Bugs Bunny.
That's exactly what I was thinking. But there is something that you don't know about her. When I checked her bag, I realized that Eleanor had hidden some poisonous stuff along with the eggs. I think she's trying to kill all of us.
Make up your mind, Chuck. It's just a rabbit. She can't be that bad.
You don't get it, do you? Eleanor Rabbit has to go, and we have to do something to stop her.
Yeah, and? What do we do? Call the Super Duper Bunny League?
The what?
Never mind.
Oh, hey! Looks like you found one of my Easter eggs. Wait, what is that?
What do you think, Dumbass? This is a poisonous egg that I just found, and you put it on the couch. I know you're up to no good.
What are you talking about? Oh, sorry. I forgot that the Easter egg is expired.
Expired? Really? Do you think anyone would fall for this? Well, guess what? Your plan has failed.
Son of a bitch!
Well, that was a bit anticlimactic.